Hi guys, this is reflective of one of the things that I think you were talking about in the call that I wasn't there for. It's around that flexibility. The groups that I've created in groups are groups I set up specifically in Kmart. So if I give you an example, I have a group of learners at level 2 who are high level in terms of priority needs because they go across three or four multiple social sciences. So whilst the teachers will have a priority group with them as individual, I've also taken a role here as head of faculty so that I can have an overview with them. So my role here is once I've got this data and it comes in, I can be asking questions of the learner and of the teachers as to what's going on. I can have the conversations around, well, you know, this is what last year was looked like. You did well in history, although not brilliant because our kids only do 20 credits at level 1. But this is a cross group, and it's the same at, if I get rid of this group, I would then go to 20, 22, L3, and I've then got my geography priority learners. And then I have a group of these. So again, it gives me that background detail, but it is that flexibility of micro groups that I can set up. I can take learners in and I can take learners out of those groups that I have set up in Kmart. So the key to this, it's that micro level detail, which then chucks the stuff up for me.